What is up, guys? Trippy Trev, Backdoor S here in the building, and right now we are just clear coating the hood. Yes, clear coating the hood. I am really excited for this because it has been a long time and it has been looking like crap. So George over here is helping me out. Look at this guy right here.
Yeah, boys.
Yes, sir.
Remember, PPE first.
Yeah, always wear your protection because this stuff is horrible. That is why I am not wearing it.
Now this is the exciting part right here. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, no judging. It's probably like my first time painting. Ready?
Yeah.
So we're doing a light coat first. Just a light coat. Getting it done, boys.
Yes, sir. Damn. It's gonna get there. I can already feel it. Yes.
Hopefully it turned out good.
Oh, it's coming out good. Oh yeah. Let's look at this one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Beautiful. Picasso.
Can't wait to shoot the wet coat on it.
Oh, I know. I know.
So right now, guys, we're gonna let it sit for a little bit and let that light coat soak in. So we could go pretty heavy on the next coat. Like we said, like this is an old carbon fiber hood.
Dude, this thing was horrible. If you guys seen it in person, to the people that have actually seen it and went up to it and looked at it, they actually know that this thing was like horrid. Like it was horrible. It had some sort of like white stuff all around the edges of this thing, trying to keep the mesh or whatever intact, and especially in the middle, it was bad, man. It was horrible. And like right here,
Ready for fucking stance wars.
right here, all that stuff right there was all painted black, so it wasn't exposing the carbon fiber. So I sanded all of it down to get that carbon fiber
black,
back. I know,
It didn't even look carbon fiber.
dude. This whole thing just looked super happy that Georgie over here was able to get it back to life.
I was able to squeeze it in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, there we
Especially right now, guys, that we're all preparing for stance wars. You guys are gonna see the videos. I'm gonna have like at least 4 videos of just my car. 2 videos at least of his, which is this, and maybe a video you already watched, which is the skirts. And if you haven't, stay tuned because it's coming. And then painting my bumper. I have goodies for my car that you're gonna see pretty soon. I don't want to say too much right now, you know, but I'm gonna be dropping these weekly, you know, so you guys can keep updated on what we're doing. It just we have so much content. It's just hard for me to just do it like fucking every day, you know. Just
yeah.
I'm just gonna try my best for you guys, you know. But I don't want to miss anything on our cars, you know. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with everything. All right, guys, let's get it.
So with carbon fiber hoods, do you have to put like a lot of gloss because it fades with the sun?
Like a normal car.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, George. Dude, that is so wet. Freaking George in the building. Said freaking George in the building. gosh, mains. Look at that. So wet.
This is gonna be like this. It's not a how-to video. It's just us showing you how we're clear coating this shit. And stay tuned because we're gonna be installing this shit, you know, on this video for you guys. So you guys don't have to wait a couple of days like we are to install it. So let's get it, boys. Alright guys, I just got off work and tripping here. So I'm gonna go check out how that carbon fiber came out after that clear coat. Hopefully it came out fucking badass. I haven't even seen it. It's gonna be my first time seeing it. We actually put it in our storage shed here, just to keep it dry, you know. And but yeah, guys, I'm gonna go check it out first time. Sorry, Trevor, I got this today. Finally, we're alone. Oh, god damn! Sheesh. Dude, that is so fucking sick. Actually did an amazing job, guys. Sheesh. And Trevor did a good job on sanding this thing down. He cut up his fingers and shit. But you guys ready for this? Should I show you guys? Cause damn. Should I show you guys? Nah. I'm gonna wait till Trevor comes here. I'll get first hand, you know what I'm saying? Trevor, this is your big reveal right now, my boy.
I know, dude. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Yesterday was really crazy. We put a lot of clear coat on it, and yeah, I really hope it comes out really great. I can't wait.
All right, guys. Moment of truth. Let's get it. Check this out, my boy.
No way, dude. That's the same thing. Are you sure you didn't replace it?
Hmm?
Are you sure you didn't replace it with the new hood? Dude, that's so crazy. No way. Can you actually touch it?
As you guys are ready for this, let's get it.
Bro,
Bah!
that's crazy. Turn the flash
Bah!
on.
Look at that shit, my boy. Look at that, guys. Damn.
Bro, that is crazy.
That is his fucking carbon fiber hood right there, guys. With a little bit of love, you guys will get this right
A
here.
little bit of love and a lot of...
We're not lying, we got a couple runs, but he wanted it super thick. Cause you could, it's just the edges right here. You could just fucking sand it down. You can't even tell. But literally, guys, this thing looks fucking mint, brand new. Touch it, Trevor.
Can you touch it? Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, I'd still wait just to be safe.
Yeah.
Just so
But
it's
guys,
actually
this
hard.
is so fucking clean. Can't get any better than that. Look at that.
Dude, you did amazing.
And this piece too right here.
I know that too.
Sheesh.
And this thing was...
Let me know what you guys think about this paint job right here. It's not the cleanest or the professionalist, but it is what it is, man. We got it fucking looking clean.
Should have done this when I first got it, man. I was just slacking. I don't know why. Riding around, just driving around with that hood.
Yeah.
I could have had this whole time.
Fuck. Hey,
Yeah.
at least you got it done.
I know.
That's a good thing. Now it's time to install this hood and get fucking jiggy with it. Yeah, guys, I'm super excited to see how it actually looks on the car. Trevor,
What's up?
how do you feel?
I feel excited. Looks
All right,
like a
guys.
brand new hood. Seriously, it looks crazy. You should really see this in person.
Damn, boy. Sheesh. That shit looks so clean, my boy.
Do you think I should get some mesh? Or not?
Oh, son. Sheesh. Look at that. Look at that. That thing shines, bro. Bro, this thing shines.
Crazy.
I'm craving a B-Dubs chicken sandwich right now.
Ooh, okay, you should try Bird on.
What's a bird dog?
Okay, it's like a grown-up
does
chicken
need side
tender.
skirts.
A hand-breaded chicken tendy in a toasted grilled
It's like so thick at the bottom and it goes like.
There you guys have it. Another another upgrade on our cars there, bro. Oh my god, this thing came out freaking beautiful. You guys need to see this in person. Look at this. For a home paint job, guys, this thing came out fucking clean. Obviously, I had some blemishes here and there because the carbon fiber hood is kind of damaged already. But we saved it at least 85%. You saved, Trevor?
Yeah.
And it's fucking looks so good.
Dude, because before.
And he still needs to wet sand it to make it just polished like mirror, you know what I'm saying? But guys, thank you guys for coming back. Another banger. I'm throwing these bangers out. We got so much content this whole week. We're just dropping stuff in our cars, you know what I'm saying? I still got to do my car. Flaco has some other stuff. Giving me headaches, but I'm doing it for you guys. You know what I'm saying? But I'm glad you guys tuning in. Stay tuned for more videos. Dropping. Stance Force, we're coming. Or we probably already went. But anyways, guys, stay safe, stay positive, and like that, we're out. Peace.